more yes. Everything. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. All right, let's go in. Ah, I can't even stop with the windows. All of this. All right, now this is an amazing cabinet. I love that. It's actually a really fair price too. That's at what, $175 maybe? $350, 50% off. I guess that's $175. Wow. I love the dog letter holder. Oh, they have a cat one too. So fun. $24. Wait, 40% off over $20. Oh, you're making me think. But also, can we talk about this incredible South Beach? Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I don't see a price on him though, or her. What is this little ballerina? Oh, it's a runner. How cute. 14, 20% off. I think that's a little close. Whoa, this is amazing. This is so cool. Hat box top, $6. That's really fantastic. It doesn't want to go back. I think it's trying to come with me. What is this? Well, this is quite fantastic. This is Italian. Which is it? 19 and 20%. They've got some really unique stuff in this case. I'm trying to find something that really stands out. Love the bracelets. A lot of more contemporary stuff. So packed full of stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at this sewing basket. Designed for Azar. $10. Made in Korea. I'm still pretty happy about the one I got, honestly. I'm glad I did that. That is a unicorn. That is a unicorn. It's really in there, and it's way bigger than I thought, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna let that one go at 19. It's the happiest one. People ask me for unicorns all the time, and they are super hard to find. Literally and metaphorically. That's cute. Wait, oh my gosh, all the fun bags. Good grief. This first aid kit. It's just a tin still. Oh no. How am I gonna get that out? Good grief. This situation right here is fabulous. Wait, also what's happening behind here? Okay, nothing. Nothing I need to know about. This is really cute. This weird baby thing back here. $10, so 8. It's got the little butterfly on them and a little lipstick holder. That's at 17. That's spendy. This one's only 8 though. Gosh, every time I look up, there's like more stuff to see. I think I'm gonna get that. That's pretty cute. Also, what is this? Interesting. A little trinket box. That's really interesting, whatever this is. Oh my gosh, look at that paper mache clown head thing. Oh, but there's more. This is fun. What is this? Oh my gosh, so neat. Let's see. Stripey handbag. Made in China. Still neat though. Oh my gosh. I found another one. Wait, how much is this? Oh my gosh, $49, 50 bucks. Oh, this bag's coming off. I don't think I can justify that, especially because I'd have to get it home safely, and I don't know if I can do that. This is really pretty. Oh, 25. Oh my gosh. Whew, deep breaths. What's this down here? be Bead Bazaar. I don't know. I'm uncertain about the baby. I know it would sell, but $8, I'm a little, I don't know. I'm in a weird mood right now. This, though, has my full attention. That's gorgeous. Now, this one's $10. See, this seems worth it. Even though it's got some damage, it's really, really old and really, really gorgeous. And I love that it's got that little mirror in it. Super romantic. At $8, I will take that. And this paperweight, that's $7 and 20%. Take that too. That unicorn's new, but what about this little metal frame? That's $19 and 20% off. That seems like a really fair deal. Art Deco style. What's this? Oh, I'm gonna have to get all this down. What is this? And this episode is called What Is This? Interesting. Huh. 25. I think that might be reprinted. Well, I did get all that stuff down to find out what this is. It's fantastic. It's really quite fantastic, actually. Unfortunately, at 38 for resale, I don't think I can do anything with it. Wait, I didn't look down in here. 6. Looks like something might be wrong with that. Not sure why this is only $6. Well, I didn't really see anything wrong with it, so I added it to my pile. What is this? Magnets. This jewelry box is fantastic with the pink velvet. You think I'm gonna be able to get that out of there? Definitely not. Hold on. Okay, well, I actually love this so much. It would be $8 after the discount. I feel like you could get that little stain out. I don't know, could you? It's so cute. For $8, I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my gosh. Everything in here. Ow. Oof. Ow, 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 ow. I don't really want to mess with that. That looks like a whole thing. I love the flamingo box. That's at $19 though. Ow, that really hurt. As much as I've been through, you'd think I would suck it up, breaking a nail a little bit, but oh my gosh, and the little, I need to know how much that pink beaded case is. They got all the compacts in here too. Whoa. Yeah, they have the lipstick holder, the brooches, the compacts. Although the lipstick says like $29, I'm assuming. I don't know if I have this in me right now. This is a lot. Useless box. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh my gosh. I could have spent the whole day in here easily. Well, speaking of unicorns, there's a couple things in here, including the unicorn. 20% off. I'm gonna have to get in this case. At least it's manageable. The little girl on the shell, the little bisque dolls back there, 15 it looks like. Yep, we're gonna get in here for sure. What case is this? I was on my way when this happened. Oh my gosh. Okay. Love this little rubber. 2. Okay, so we need to get in here too. Showcase 06. Oh my gosh. The bangles, $2 each. Donkey horse thing. Oh, I can't even look at this because this. Wow. Look at that doll. Look at all the skunk stuff. Wow. Antique celluloid Victorian photo album. That's only $40. Who cares if it's damaged? It's gorgeous. That's neat. I've seen those before. I can't remember who makes them. And I see the little Margaret O'Brien Candy Kitchen back there. I might get in there too. Looks like there might be some neat stuff hidden back in that case. Oh my gosh, so cute, the little music box. $22. All right, well, I grabbed a bunch of stuff. That's about as much as you're gonna get out of me because I'm exhausted. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. $4. He's kind of fantastic. He's very different too. We like different. I am exhausted. How about this owl? Oh my gosh, almost knocked that over. 18. Okay, well, we can leave that. The little laughing guy is pretty funny though. And I love the tray. Now, I did grab this squeak. I also grabbed this hair barrette that was hiding back there. The bangles, meh, they were nothing to write home about compared to the other things I got. Now, I'm just seeing he has a little nick right there. But check these out. Oh my gosh. Is there a discount in this booth? That's fantastic. The vintage glass trays. Oh my gosh. Look at the Iowa one. $7. That's kind of fantastic. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna put the little laughing guy back because he's got a chip. And as for Las Vegas, I'm on the fence. This Iowa tray is fantastic. I love that it's colored and it's just kind of weird. And I love the deer. Now, the green deer planter is amazing. Obviously, I can't get the candle because it will melt in my car, but that's at $22, which is definitely a little bit more than I'd like to spend. What are these weird fruit things? Fruits and veggies. Betsyville. What is this? Oh my gosh, $12 though. I think it's got a little too much wear for me to do $12 on resale. That's probably about what I'd sell that for. It's fantastic. That's neat. Do not open. That's intriguing. Got some neat stuff in this case too. The cat pins. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at the like Prince Charming box. 10. That's really sweet. 8 rooster. There's a lot to see over here. I'm starting to feel it again. I'm gonna have to get back on the road soon. The last thing I need to do is drive in the dark. Oh my gosh. $10. Is there a discount? No. But he's so fantastic. I can't leave this here for $10. It's only got that one little spot of damage too. Usually these are pretty rough. Japan too. Oh, so fantastic. All right, I'm gonna take this. Oh man, I'm starting to get real out there. What is that? That's really pretty. And I love the tambourine and the cowgirl. That looks new, but this is neat. How fun. And the little owl, 25. Well, I love everything that's happening here. The salt and pepper shakers, the little religious. The rabbit, oh my gosh. Look at you. What's going on with this sad pig? 20. Ooh. Whoa, hello. Look at that. Oh man, I like that. I like that a lot. Is it sterling? I don't think it's sterling. I wish it was. Because then I would probably have to look at it and try and convince myself I don't need it. I think I'm tapped out of stuff for myself right now, for sure. But they have some really awesome, neat stuff in here. Actually, that's not true. I did buy myself something here. I didn't film it. It's like a little souvenir of Coney Island. Picture frame. Speaking of stuff for myself, what is this? Oh, it's like a men's t-shirt. Man, that is fantastic. So I spent $200 even in there. That was so much fun. So you know how the joke was I was never gonna get to California? Well, I think now the joke is I'm never gonna get out of Albuquerque. It's now 4 p.m. I was gonna leave 3 hours ago, but they told me about one more place. It's just on the street. So I might bop in. I said, oh, they probably close at 5. And they said, no, they close at 6. And I said, crap. So I'm gonna go check it out.